Welcome back to another video. Today's video on Tech with Tech, I want to discuss with you how your phone case could potentially be damaging your phone and why you should probably stop right now. Let's get into it. Firstly, let's discuss the different types of cases. So we have our clear cases right here. These are the types that you get from Wish.com and Spigen. So this is an iPhone 12 case, this is an iPhone 10. This one's brand new. And this one is a couple of years old now, about 2 to 3 years old. This one's very yellowed compared to this one. Now, some of them have tech in them that will allow you to keep them fresh for longer. However, this is pretty manky now and it's probably going to go in a bit. This one and this one are different types. So they have a special cool design on them and they have, designer type branding on them. They have protective bumpers on them and they have enough cutouts and everything. Like, these are pretty good cases. And then you have your last type, second last type. You have your silicone cases from Apple and other brands. And you can also get leather cases like this. And then of course you have, which I don't have with me at the moment, is your bumper cases from things like Rhino Shields. Let's talk about how these are damaging. First of all, let's discuss the clear cases. How are these potentially damaging your phone? Well, this goes for the same as a lot of these cases, and a lot of these cases are the same, with the exception of the silicone cases from Apple. I'll get to that. These are actually very dangerous because what happens is, especially with an iPhone 7 in jet black, which this is the prime example of it, or an aluminum iPhone, what this will do is it will get dirt and grime and it'll get little bits of dust and gravel stuck in between them as per usual. This is not normal, or it is normal I should say, and of course yes, they will get, over time that will happen, and if you do not clear that out, you're going to face an issue where your phone cases are actually destroying the back of your phone because of all the dust and gravel that's getting in them. Now, if we take a look at the Apple cases and why you should be using an Apple case if you have an iPhone, or if you have another case or another phone, why you should be using those. So this is the Apple case. There's an Alcantara inside, and what makes this special, I don't know if you can pick it up on camera there, but it can use the microfibers and the Alcantara inside to catch the dust and the grime and the gravel and all that, and it catches it and keeps it in one spot so it's not rubbing up against the back of your phone. Whereas if you had something like this case, that's all going to just, because it has a smooth inside and it's really nice that it has a smooth inside and it feels great, it's gonna get all the dust and gravel is going to be able to move around back there, and that's going to scratch up your phone. And potentially, if a big enough piece of dirt or gravel gets stuck underneath these cases, it can actually crack the back of your phone, which is very annoying if you paid over $1,000 for your phone. So do I recommend getting a clear phone case? No, it's going to go manky and the UV is going to show up and all that on the phone cases. Some might be good. I mean, this is a brand new one, so I wouldn't be able to tell specifically how it's going to age up over time. This is a very interesting looking one, but obviously if it's anything like this one, it's going to go manky over time. Do I recommend a hard case like these? These are a great option, and the OtterBox cases, great option. But as long as you clean out the inside of them every so often, you'll be fine. Bumper cases, I do recommend. However, if you want back protection on your phone for your glass back, maybe not a good option if you're paranoid about that. And finally, the Apple cases, or the silicone cases or any case in general with Alcantara on the inside. Highly recommend this. Could not recommend this enough. Maybe do not get the white one though, because the white cases go manky very fast. I literally took this out of the box and within 10 minutes I was always having to wash this thing down. So no, do not get the white versions, even though it looks pretty good on the silver foam. And with that, thank you very much for watching. My name is Connor. Let me know what you thought in the comment section below. I'll catch you next one.